Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enroll in Extended Security Updates, ESU, on your Windows 10 computer. First, make sure your Windows 10 is fully updated to version 22H2. To check, simply type WinVer in the Windows search box, press Enter, and confirm that you are running version 22H2 with all the latest updates installed. Next, open the link provided in the video description. This will take you to the official Microsoft FAQ page about Windows 10 end of support and extended security updates. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the section for Windows 10 Extended Security Updates, ESU. Once your PC is confirmed to be up to date, go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Here you'll see a message that Windows 10 support ends in October 2025, and you'll get the option to enroll in Extended Security Updates. Click on Enroll Now, then click Next. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. If your device is eligible, you'll see a message confirming that you can enroll at no extra cost, valid until October 13th, 2026. Finally, click on Enroll Done. That's it. You are now enrolled in Extended Security Updates for Windows 10.